Hello students, myself Abhilash, biology lecturer, Vishwamanava Composite PU College, Chitradurga. Today we are going to discuss about first PU topic, that is cell cycle and cell division. The cell cycle or cell division cycle is the series of events that takes place in a cell that cause it to divide into two daughter cells. These events includes the duplication of its DNA and some of its organelles, and subsequently the partitioning of its cytoplasm and other components into two daughter cells. This process is called cell division. In cells with nuclei, that is eukaryotes, animals, plants, and fungal and protist cells, these are included under eukaryotes. The cell cycle is divided into two main stages, namely interphase and M phase, that is mitotic phase. M phase includes mitosis as well as cytokinesis. During interphase, the cell grows, accumulating nutrients needed for mitosis and replication of its DNA and some of its organelles. During the mitotic phase, the duplicated or replicated chromosomes, organelles, and cytoplasm separate into two daughter cells. To ensure the proper application of cellular components and division, there are control mechanisms known as cell cycle checkpoints after each of the key steps of the cycle that determine if the cell can progress to the next phase. Phases of cell cycle. Human cell divides once in approximately 24 hours, which may vary in different organisms. In yeast, it takes about 90 minutes to complete cell division process. Cell cycle is divided into basic phases, namely one is the total included phase is known as interphase, which includes G1, S, and G2. And another one is M phase. Interphase. The interphase stage of the cell cycle includes three distinctive parts, namely G1 phase, that is gap 1 phase, S phase, that is synthesis phase, and gap 2, that is G2 phase. First we discuss G1 phase. The G1 phase follows mitosis and is the period in which the cell is synthesizing its structural proteins and enzymes to perform its function. For example, a pancreas cell in the G1 phase will produce and secrete insulin. A muscle cell will undergo the contractions that permits movement, and a salivary gland cell will secrete salivary enzymes to assist digestion. During G1 phase, each chromosome consists of a single molecule of DNA and its associated histone proteins. In normal human cells, there are 46 chromosomes per cell, except sex cells with 23 chromosomes and RBC with no nucleus and hence no chromosomes. Second phase is S phase or synthesis phase, during which S phase of the cell cycle, the DNA within the nucleus replicates. During the process, each chromosome is faithfully copied, so by the end of S phase, two DNA molecules exist for each one of formerly present in G1 phase. Human cells contains 92 chromosomes per cell in S phase. Then G2 phase. In the G2 phase, the cells prepare for mitosis. Proteins organize themselves to form series of fibers called spindle fibers, which is involved in chromosome movement during mitosis. A spindle fiber constructed from amino acids for each mitosis and then taken apart at the conclusion of the process. Spindle fibers are composed of microtubules. In adult animals, some cells do not divide or may divide occasionally. These cells do not divide further and exist the G1 phase to enter an inactive stage called quiescent stage or G0 phase. In animals, mitotic division is present in only somatic diploid cells, but in plants it is seen in both haploid and diploid cells. Mitosis can Mitosis cell division is also known as equational division because the chromosome numbers remain same in parental to its offsprings or progeny cells. We will deal with mitosis. The term mitosis is derived from Latin stem mito meaning threads. When mitosis was first described a century ago, scientists had been threads within cells. So they gave a name mitosis to the process of thread movement. During mitosis, the number of material become visible as thread-like chromosomes. The chromosome organize in the center of the cell and then separate, and 46 chromosomes move into each of the cell that forms. Mitosis is a continuous process, but for convenience in denoting with portion of the process is taking place. Scientists divide mitosis into series of phases which includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So this is a division of mitosis which are having four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. First we will discuss prophase. Mitosis begins with the condensing of the chromatin to form chromosomes. In the phase called prophase, two copies of each chromosome exist. Each one is called chromatid. Two chromatids are joined to one another at the region called centromere. As prophase unfolds, the chromatids become visible in pairs called sister chromatids. The spindle fibers form, the nucleoli form, and the nucleoli disappear and nuclear envelope dissolves. In this structure, in late prophase, we observed that the nuclear membrane and nucleolus are disappearing. Next. In animal cells during prophase, microscopic bodies called centrioles begin to migrate to opposite sides of the cell. When the centrioles reach the poles of the cell, they produce and are then surrounded by a series of radiating microtubules called an aster. Centrioles and asters are not present in most of plant or fungal cells. As prophase continues, the chromatids attach to spindle fibers that extend out from opposite poles of the cell. The spindle fibers attached at the region of the centromere at a structure called the kinetochore, an area of protein in the centromere region. Eventually, all pairs of chromatids reach to the center of the cell, a region called equatorial plate. Metaphase. It's the second phase. Metaphase is a stage of mitosis in which the pairs of chromatids line upon equatorial plate. If you see the diagram, the chromatids are arranged on equatorial plate. This region is also known as metaphase plate. In human cell, 92 chromosomes in 46 pairs align 92 chromosomes in 46 pairs align at equatorial plate. Each pair is connected at the centromere where the spindle fibers is attached. Then anaphase. At the beginning of anaphase, the sister chromatids move apart from one another. The chromatids are called home chromosomes after the separation. So if you see this, the chromatids from anaphase, they are migrating towards their respective poles. Each chromosome is attached to a spindle fibers and the members of each chromosome pair are drawn to opposite poles of the cell by spindle fibers. During anaphase, the chromosomes can be seen moving. They take a rough V-shaped structure because their mid region attached to the spindle fibers. Then the movement toward The pulse is accomplished by several mechanisms such as elongation of spindle fibers, which results in pushing the poles apart. The result of anaphase is an equal separation and distribution of chromosomes. In human cell, a total of 46 chromosomes can move each poles at the process of mitosis continues. The last phase is telophase. It is the opposite phase of prophase. So in telophase, the chromosomes finally arrive at the opposite poles of the cell. The distinct chromosome begins to fade from the site as masses of chromatin are formed again. The events of telophore is essentially the reverse of those of prophase. The spindle fibers is dismantled and its amino acids are recycled. The nucleoli reappear and nuclear envelope also reappears. Then after karyokinesis, we have cytokinesis in mitosis. Cytokinesis is a process in which cytoplasm divides and two separate cells form. Note that cytokinesis is separate from the four stages of mitosis. In animal cells, cytokinesis begins with the formation of cleavage furrow at the center of the cell. With the formation of the furrow, the cell membrane begins to pinch into the cytoplasm and the formation of two cells begins. This process is often referred as cell cleavage. Macrofilaments contract during cleavage and assist the division of the cell into two daughter cells. In plant cells, cytokinesis occurs by a different process because a rigid cell wall is involved. Cleavage does not take part or takes place in plant cells. Rather, a new cell wall, is assembled at the center of the cell, beginning with vesicles formed from the Golgi apparatus. As the vesicles join, they form a double membrane plate called cell plate. The cell plate forms in the middle of the cytoplasm and grows outward to fuse with the cell membrane. The cell plate separates the two daughter cells. As the cell wall material is laid down, the two cells move apart from one another and yield two daughter cells. Mitosis serves several functions in living cells. In many simple organisms, it is a method of asexual reproduction which includes cells of fungi. In multicellular organisms, it allows the entire organism to grow by forming a new cells and replacing older cells. In certain species, mitosis is used to heal wounds and regenerate body parts. It is a universal process for cell division in eukaryotic cells. Significance of mitosis. Mitosis produces diploid daughter cells with identical genetic complement. It helps to repair cells, especially in lining of gut and blood cells. Meristematic cells in apical and lateral cambium results in continuous growth of plants. Then meiosis, the cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes into half and results in the production of haploid daughter cells is known as meiosis. It helps in production of haploid phases in the life cycle of sexually reproducing organisms. It involves following events. Two sequential cycles of nuclear and cell division is called meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, but single cycle of DNA replication. It involves pairing of homologous chromosome and recombination of them. Four haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis 2. Meiosis, if you see the meiosis, it is divided into meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 consists of prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. The prophase 1 of meiosis have 5 subphases starting with leptotin. During leptotin, the chromosome becomes distinct and visible under microscope. Compaction of chromosome continues through the leptotin stage, and leptotin stage is also known as bouquet stage. Then zygotin. During zygotin stage, the chromosomes start pairing together, that is known as synapses. The pairing of chromosome is called homologous chromosome. Synaptonymial complex formed by a pair of homologous chromosome is known as bivalent or tetroid. So in this structure we will observe the bivalence or tetroid in nature. Then packetine. During packetine stage, crossing over between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome occur by the exchange of genetic material. The crossing over is enzyme mediated process which involves the enzyme recombinase. Then diplotin. Diplotin is recognized by the dissolution of synaptoneal complex and tendency to separation of bivalent except at the site of crossing over. This forms X-shaped structure called chiasma. In this we observe the X-shaped structure chiasma. The last subphase of prophase 1, that is diakinesis, is marked by a terminalization of chiasmata. The nuclear membrane breaks and nucleolus disappear. Then metaphase 1. In metaphase 1, the bivalent chromosome align at equatorial plate and microtubules from the opposite poles of the spindle yet and get attached to the pair of homologous chromosome. Anaphase 1. During anaphase 1, from each bivalent, the chromosome move towards one pole and other towards other pole. In other words, two homologous chromosomes move towards one pole and another to opposite pole. And next in anaphase 1, the sister chromatids of each chromosome remain attached to the centromere. Homologous chromosome reach the opposite poles at the end of this phase. Telophase 1. The chromosomes uncoil and relax and regrouping the chromosomes occur. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane reappear. Two haploid daughter cells are formed in telophase 1 of meiosis first. Then second meiotic division. The first nuclear division, meiosis 1, results in reduction of chromosome number from diploid to haploid. The second nuclear division, meiosis 2, is required to reduce the number of chromatids per chromosome. So prophase second. The spindle fibers reform and attach to the centromeres in prophase 2. So we are drawing both the diagram of prophase 1 and prophase 2. In this prophase what happens? The spindle fibers reform and attaches to the centromere in prophase 2. Then metaphase 2. In metaphase 2, the chromosome align on metaphase plate during metaphase 2 in preparing for centromeres to divide for next phase. Anaphase. During anaphase 2, the chromosomes divide at centromeres like in mitosis and the resulting chromosomes each with one chromatid move towards opposite poles. So here we can observe that the chromatids are moving towards their opposite poles. Next, lastly, we have telophase 2 and cytokinesis. Four haploid nuclei containing chromosomes with single chromatids are formed in telophase 2. Division of the cytoplasm during cytokinesis results in four haploid cells. Note these four cells are not identical as random arrangement of bivalents and crossing over in meiosis 2 leads to different genetic composition of these cells. Then here we have a differences between mitosis and meiosis. Next we have some neat questions. First one. Meiosis in diploid organisms results in option A production of gametes, option B reduction of number of chromosomes, option C introduction of variations, option D all of the above. For this correct answer is option D all of the above, because meiosis is a cell division responsible for production of gametes through reductional division, which results in having the number of chromosomes. The crossing over that makes the place of packetine results in introduction of variation. Then second question, at which stage of meiosis does the genetic constitution of gametes is finally decided? The answer is for that question is the option D, that is anaphase 1. Then meiosis occurs in organisms during meiosis that occurs in organisms during sexual reproduction, because the production of offsprings by sexual reproduction includes fusion of two gametes, each with a complete haploid set of chromosomes. For this, gametes are formed from specialized diploid cells which undergo meiosis that reduces the chromosome number by half, resulting in the production of haploid daughter cells. Fourth question, during anaphase 1 of meiosis, what are the events occurs? The major events that occurs in anaphase 1 of meiosis is homologous chromosomes will separate, because during anaphase 1, um, from each tetrad, the two chromatids of chromosome move as a unit dyad to one pole of spindle, and remaining two chromatids of its homologous migrate to opposite poles. Thus, the homologous chromosome of each pair rather than the chromatids of the chromosomes are separated. As a result, half of the chromosomes which appear in early prophase to go each pole. It is here in the anaphase 1 that the real reduction of chromosome numbers occurs. Then fifth one, mitosis is characterized by, it is general question, it is characterized by equal cell division or equational cell division. Sixth question, the bivalence of meiosis 1 consists of, the bivalence of meiosis 1 consists of 4 chromatids and 2 centromere. So for this, the correct answer is option C, because bivalence is formed during zygote. Each bivalent is made up of 4 chromatids, 2 of each centromere. The centromere is a part of chromosome that attaches to the spindle fiber during cell division. Each bivalent thus contains 2 centromeres. Then seventh question, cells which are not dividing are likely to be at the dividing cells which are present in G0 phase or quiescent phase. Eighth question, which of the following listed below is not observed during mitosis? Is not observed during mitosis is crossing over, because crossing over occurs during meiosis 1 and it is not found in mitosis. Ninth question, identify the wrong statement about meiosis. Pairing of homologous chromosome, 4 haploid cells are formed. At the end of meiosis, the number of chromosomes are reduced into half. 2 cycles of DNA replication occurs. The wrong answer for this is option D, because only 1 cycle of DNA replication occurred during meiosis. Thank you.